All right, YouTube, it's Roswell Native back here with another gun in the corner. And this is a 1853 Sharps rifle carbine, wide. It has the angled falling block, and you placed a linen cartridge in the chamber, raised the block, cocked the hammer. This one has a musket cap on it right now, I cleaned it and it's all empty. This also has a priming system that had a interesting, you'd come to full cock and there was some nitrocellulose or formaldehyde or some sort of a cap that had a little circle, and as the trigger was pulled, it would shoot one of those little caps on top and fire away. This one's a beautiful old gun. It's got this saddle ring carbine, double set triggers, just absolutely old world. Iron butt plate. Has this patch box. You would have a ball or a patch. Musket caps. Some 40 caliber. It's a big old weapon. Thanks for stopping by.